Hi guys, today we are making some decadent soji.
Start off by toasting the semolina or soji in a pot. Once it browns slightly, take it out of the pot and set aside. Back in the same pot, add in your water, milk, butter or margarine, cinnamon sticks, sugar, egg yellow food coloring, and let all of this boil together. Once this starts to boil, gradually add in the semolina and be sure to continuously stir so that it does not form lumps. Add in the cardamom and continue to stir.
Serve with some almonds or some cream. Enjoy!